It's raining.
So now I have to go market for some kitchen groceries, especially for Maggie recipe. So let's go. That'll be 25. Here you go. Thank you.
That rain is something else tonight.
Now I'm making Maggie because it suits this rainy day. Really good. This is perfect for a day like this. So Army, I spent this day at home because it's raining outside, so I can't go out. Army, this is my rainy days routine and I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon. Bye.